Good evening, committee chair, committee members, mayor, and members of the public. My name is Ray Trevino. I am the wastewater collections manager here today to present for your consideration an agreement with Black Point Group Construction and Management Incorporated for catch basin cleaning services. With the recommendation that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute Agreement A 8428 with Black Point Group Construction and Management Incorporated in the amount not to exceed $900,000 for a 3-year term ending February 15th, 2025 for catch basin cleaning services. The City of Oxnard received its most recent municipal separate storm sewer system MS4 permit in September 2021. Through this permit, trash and debris need to be reduced or eliminated and be disposed of properly. Oxnard owns and maintains over 2,500 catch basins. 329 of those catch basins are equipped with full capture devices. 500 additional full capture devices will be installed in the near future. Catch basins collect a variety of debris which must be removed to mitigate flooding and prevent pollution. Debris typically consists of trash, plastics, and organics, in this case being leaves. In the picture you see, it's a catch basin on Sturgis Road with a full capture device installed. Statewide trash amendment requires the city to install full capture devices. The full capture devices are custom to each catch basin, made of stainless steel, capture debris over 5 millimeters, and are cleaned on a quarterly basis. In November 17, 2021, Purchasing Department released a request for proposal, Public Works 22-54, for catch basin cleaning. Proposals closed on December 9th, 2021, where a total of 3 contractor responses were received. Proposal evaluation was conducted by wastewater and purchasing staff. The bid prices are noted below. Black Point was deemed the most qualified proposer. Under this contract, Black Point will provide catch basin inspections and cleanings, full capture device cleaning and adjustments, storm drain placard installation, trash and debris hauling and disposal. The city's GIS system will be utilized to track all activities. The amount for this 3-year agreement with Black Point shall not exceed $900,000. And this will be funded in existing appropriations from the Stormwater Operating Fund 114. The remaining balances will be requested in subsequent fiscal years noted below. This concludes my presentation. I will be happy to answer any questions the night of the meeting.